Beginning a series of slow-speed runs at Derby, British Rail's advanced passenger train is intended for speeds of more than 150 miles an hour. The team of research engineers who designed the train are there to check on the behavior of their latest creation. The new suspension and tilting system is made specially to cope with the much higher speeds of the future. Drivers and stokers of the old steam days would certainly scratch their heads if they were told to work with this modern control panel. That's the lever which controls the powerful gas turbine engines. Top speed for this first trial was only 40 miles an hour.